Hello, Caroline here. Today I'm setting up the last week of November. This time you don't need masking tape. I envisioned the clouds being on each side, almost like mirroring each other. In this spread, I keep flipping the notebook around to allow for drying in between layers. Like in my previous spreads, I start with the lighter shade of blue, gradually going darker into the purple. Once I finished with each side, I took out the silver from the Kuretake palette and loaded it on an old toothbrush and sprayed it on top of the clouds. If you don't have an old toothbrush, you can also use a paintbrush, tapping it on the opposite end to get random sprinkles of paint on the paper. After that, I used a white gel pen and added some more stars on random areas. I wasn't sure what I should do for the weekdays, so I just sketched something out with a pencil. Erased the pencil lines so that I can still see them a little bit, then made circles with the Tombow dual brush pen in 620 for the day numbers to go in later on. The weekdays I kept in a normal hand lettering font. For that I used the Fudenosuke hardtip pen. And that concludes all my November spreads. I hope you liked them, even though they were a different color than the typical fall colors. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used are in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!